Welcome to our channel. It's time to test your knowledge with another round of Match the Paw Print to the Animal. Can you match the paw print to the animal that made it? Let's begin. Number 1. Which animal do you think left this set of paw prints? A muddy creek bed can be a great place to look for tracks. These particular tracks were found in West Virginia. They belong to a medium-sized mammal that likes to wade in the water looking for aquatic life to eat. The front paws are heart-shaped and the back paws are round. What animal is it? Is it a dog, bear, raccoon? Beaver, if you thought raccoon, you're right. Raccoons are very good swimmers and spend lots of time in the water looking for food. Their cute hand-like paws are perfect for catching slippery fish and other yummy aquatic life. And those adorable little paws also leave behind very distinct tracks that can be easily identified. No. 2. Which animal do you think left these tracks? These large tracks were found near some bird droppings, so we know that this animal is a bird watcher. No, not that kind of bird watcher. This kind of bird watcher is a predator that uses its keen eyesight to look for birds to eat. These bird watchers are known for their patience and stealth. They will wait for hours at a time perfectly still, then pounce on their unsuspecting prey. What bird watcher is this? Is it an owl, hawk, eagle? If you thought hawk, you'd be correct. Hawks are known for their excellent vision, which allows them to spot prey from great distances. They have special adaptations in their eyes that allow them to see very small details, making them expert bird watchers. Once they've located their prey, they use their sharp talons to grab the bird and their hooked beaks to hold on tight during the hunt. Number 3. Which animal do you think left these tiny tracks? This little guy was spotted darting across the road in front of a car. People often mistake these animals for being little dogs running around in the wild, but these little guys don't bark and they certainly aren't wearing diapers. They're actually not even mammals, they're reptiles. These small reptiles have been known to grow to lengths of over 3 feet, but most are less than 2 feet long. What reptile is it? Is it a snake, lizard, turtle? If you thought lizard, you're right. Lizards come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny and some are huge. Some are brightly colored and others are camouflaged to blend in with their surroundings. But no matter what they look like, lizards are cold-blooded reptiles that rely on the sun to help regulate their body temperature. No. 4. Which animal do you think left these large, heavy tracks? This animal is one of the largest living reptiles. These massive creatures weigh several tons and can live to be over 100 years old. Despite their size, they're surprisingly good swimmers and spend lots of time in the water. When they're not swimming, they like to lounge on riverbanks and bask in the sun. What large reptile is it? Is it a crocodile, alligator, dinosaur? If you thought crocodile, you're right. Crocodiles are found in both fresh and salt water and are known for their powerful jaws and armored skin. They're ambush predators, meaning they like to hide and wait for their prey to come to them before quickly snatching it up. Number 5. Which animal do you think left these tracks? These hoofed tracks were found in the mud by a pond. This animal was likely heading down to the pond to take a drink. This herbivore prefers to live in mountainous regions and is often spotted climbing trees. It's a very agile climber, despite its size. What animal is it? Is it a deer, elk, cow? If you thought cow, you're wrong. These tracks belong to an oryx. An oryx is a type of antelope that lives in mountainous regions of Africa. They're known for their ability to climb trees with ease, thanks to their sharp hooves and strong legs. Thanks for watching. Do you know any obscure animal facts? Share them below. We'll see you next time.